Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back. Root Beer here, looking at question number 10 on the grade 8 Gauss paper from 2007. So what does question 10 have for us? The number 519 is formed using the digits 5, 1, and 9. Alright, so 519 is what we're talking about. The three digits of this number are rearranged to form the largest possible and then the smallest possible three-digit numbers. What is the difference between these largest and smallest numbers? Okay. So, there's sort of two ways I could see to go about doing this. We need to figure out the largest and the smallest possible numbers. There's no getting around that. But how we go about doing that depends on how sure you are in your reasoning. So, I could say, for example, that, okay, we're looking at the digits 5, 1, and 9. If I want to make the biggest number possible, I should start with my biggest number. Hundreds digits are more important than tens digits or ones digits when figuring out how big something is. Okay, well, we've got the 5 and the 1 left to use. 5 goes before 1 because tens digit make the number bigger. I mean, the alternative would be 915. You can see 951 is definitely the bigger of the two. By the same sort of reasoning, if we want, so this is the largest, if we want the smallest, we should start with the smallest hundreds digit. Now, as soon as we're locked into the 100s, we're automatically less than anything that starts with a 5 or a 9. Similarly, we put the 5 next and then the 9 last, so that the big 9 has the smallest impact. It's in the units digit. There's nothing you can do about it. Okay? So, if you are able to reason like that, and reason like that quickly, you can take the difference that way. Now, suppose you're a little unsure. You say to yourself, well, I think those are the numbers, or maybe you say to yourself, gee, I don't know how to start. Because we only have 3 digits, you can actually write out all 6 possible 3-digit numbers that you can make with a 5, a 1, and a 9. And if you can write all those out, then you can also say, oh, this one here is obviously the largest, this one here is obviously the smallest. Okay? And that's perfectly fine. You'll lose a little bit of time, but you can absolutely figure them out. And then maybe you're a little more confident that you have the right answer. Okay, so we can write all 6 of them out, and then we can say, okay, this one here, clearly the largest. This one here, clearly the smallest. I know because I've written them all out. And so then we can take the difference. 951 minus 159. You can grab your calculator. I'm just going to do it old school by hand. So borrow a 1, you get a 2 here. I can't take 5 from 4, so borrow another 1 here. So that's a 9. 792 is my difference. And is 792 one of the possible answers? Absolutely. It's right in the middle. It's C, and it happens to be the biggest of the ones they've provided. Interesting. All right. So C, and that finishes off question number 10. Join me in the next video for question number 11. Feel free to try it ahead of time. I do encourage practicing, but either way, I will see you in the next video for that. Take care.